Talking about a sailing ship with thousands of customers globally, how are you being on the top of your game in terms of exuberant customer support?
So definitely when you have such a large customer base, it's a challenge. And for a cloud service provider where the business is very much managed services dependent, technology dependent, so we definitely go through a lot of challenges, but we have created a system, we have created right policies, and we have created a structure in place, and the customers are also aware of that, and it helps them to connect with the right people very quickly. If any support is required, the customers are able to reach out to the right department very quickly, and they have relationship managers assigned to them. So the relationship manager is also able to help each and every customer to connect to the right person in the organization who will be able to help them with whatever problem they have on hand. And this entire exuberant customer service concept that we have, because we started as a outsource hosting support company 15 years back. My business was purely a BPO business and outsource hosting support business. So we scaled to a level from there only because of the quality of support that we were giving to our customers. So that entire DNA of exuberant support was there right from the day one. And that has continued. Though we have become a cloud service provider ranked among the top cloud service providers in the country, we continue to have that exuberance in the managed services that we offer to our customers, and we get appreciated by customers. Like we have customers who had multiple issues with other cloud service providers. They decided to migrate to us, and they are very happy. When I go and meet them, they share their feedback that these were the problems I had with the other service provider, and today when we are with you, we've not had these problems. Our business has grown to this level. There are multiple verticals also, business verticals like BFSI. Today we have got 380 banking customers hosting on our cloud platform, on our banking community cloud. The reason is very simple, that they get the kind of managed services that they want, and all their applications and databases run smoothly on our cloud platform. They do not experience any kind of challenges running those on our cloud platform. There are other public cloud service providers who have not been able to run any of the CBS applications till now. So banks have tried, globally many banks have tried to run their CBS applications on cloud, but has it worked? It hasn't worked on their cloud platform. So that has been working. Each and every CBS software runs on our cloud platform, and that the reason behind that is the managed services that we offer. We've helped all the OEMs, all the application providers, the ISVs to run their CBS applications on our cloud platform. And ESDS has ensured that the banks in India can experience the digital transformation journey, and the pandemic time has proved that the banks who have already moved on cloud have taken the right decision, and all their channels, all their internet banking services, mobile bank, everything is running very smoothly from our cloud platform. So managed services, exuberant customer service that we offer has helped us to scale to this level.